Hey everyone, it's Adele and April from Just Say Scrap with Close to My Heart, and we are here with our 35th Technique Tuesday. So, thank you to everybody who is joining our journey this month because we are doing flip-flaps. So, as you all have remembered from our last video. So, today we have a fun technique
called the waterfall.
Yes, so this is the waterfall effect, and what it is, it's basically layering pictures on top of each other.
With flip-flaps.
Yes, with flip-flaps. So these are going to become your best friends, and this is probably a technique that either you haven't tried yet, or you want to try and you don't know how to try it, or you're going to see this technique and you're never going to go back.
That's right. So, we give step by step.
Yep. All right. So ready?
I'm ready.
Let's go.
So as you can see here, I already have our 3x4 flip-flaps laid out. You can also do this with the horizontal ones or the vertical ones, whichever you would like. But for our purpose, I'm going to do it this way. So you can have them spread out. You could see the adhesive, which hasn't been taken off yet, where they are going to be placed. So you could spread them out a lot like this. You could have them closer together, whatever you want. We are going to start off by having them closer together. So when you're doing this, you're usually going to have a page done. You're not going to be doing it like I'm doing it right now. And we're going to start with this bottom flip-flap. So you're going to have your 3x4 picture here. What I'm gonna do is you would just line that flip-flap up over the bottom. So remember, these are self-adhesive, just pulling that white strip off.
They're a little staticky.
They are. And there's this hold here for your fingers. Remember, my mom was talking about that last time. So you're gonna have that. And we're going to place it, make sure it is even over that photo mat. And then once again, you open it and make sure that that sticks all the way down. Also remember, you want your pocket on the inside. So you're always going to be folding these so you have that pocket. Always remember the pocket and on top of your page protector. So because I want to put a title above and I want to use all 6 of my flip-flaps, I'm going to do it so it's just right over that next one. So I'm basically gonna have these almost butting up against each other. But this way, I can also have something on my page above, like an embellishment, a title, maybe both. So I want to do it like this, and then I'm going to have something here on my page. So, super simple on how to do this. You just keep layering. And so we take the second one. And I'm just going to make sure that that is even with the top. And even on the sides, push it down. And do this. So you can see we have the start to our layer. And then we're just gonna continue doing this. And there you have it. You have a 6 flip-flap. Waterfall. Isn't that cool?
Yes, it is.
Awesome. And you could even put like little embellishments on the way down. Like, that would be so cute if it said like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Oh my gosh, that would be so funny. Okay, sorry. This is just my little thoughts. But yep, there you go. You have your waterfall. And then once you have your page, it's going to look awesome.
And that is Technique Tuesday. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed. Before we send you on your way, we do want to just give you a few quick pointers for this flip-flap.
Right. You just want to make sure when you put your pictures in the flip-flap that you'll obviously know that it's up right this way, but you want to make sure that they're like opposite. So when you place them in and you flip them, this one has to also be facing upwards too when you flip it.
So when you are making your waterfall, or if you're doing any flip-flap that is going up and down, before you glue your picture down, make sure that when you flip it, it's not going to be upside down. When you're going side to side, it's a little easier.
Right.
But
and also, you don't have to use all of these flips for pictures. You can use them for journaling spots too. So just remember that.
And like we said before, thank you to all of our new subscribers out there. We're glad you're on this journey with us. Another thing that these flip-flaps are good for, they are good for, like we've said in the past with these, they're good for any action shots or things like that, or if you have a lot of photos from maybe like a hiking trip, or if you have tons of pictures from a flower garden, anything like that. Or they're really good if you go to like Disney and you see a parade at Disney. I'm a Disney girl. They're really good for that. Instead of doing, you know, maybe a 4 or 6 page spread, you can just use this waterfall effect and you can get the whole entire parade in just this waterfall, which would be pretty cool to look at.
Yes, it would.
And shameless plug, bing, 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 bing. I am now a travel agent and I specialize in Disney, which has no extra fees for booking anything. So if you want any Disney travel advice, or Universal or SeaWorld or Busch Gardens or Royal Caribbean, Norwegian cruises, anything like that, that is what I do now. So shameless plug, if you want to book any of these vacations.
In addition to this,
yes. If you want to book any vacations for pictures like this, just contact me and I will be happy to give you a free quote. All right, that's my shameless plug. So we will see you next Tuesday with another flip-flap demonstration.
Yes. Yep.
All right.
See you then. Bye.
We are here with our
35th.
I know. That's what I'm trying to say. I got tongue-tied.
35th.
And I'm going to do our, what is this called?
Is the correct way. You want to make sure that, you know, when they're going to be opposite when you flip them. So this.
Start over. Your phone was going off.
Okay.
Yes, all right. And like we said before, thank you to all of our new subscribers out there. We're glad you're on our journey. Yeah.